up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna Nicole. So today I'm here with my sister, Lauren. As you can tell by the title, in today's video we will be baking and decorating some fall sweets. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So first things first, we're gonna get out all of the ingredients. We already have the cake mix that we're gonna turn into cupcakes, and now we just need the mixing bowl and all that stuff. So we're gonna do that. And the next step is to mix the cake mix, the water, the oil, and the eggs in a large bowl. Put everything in a bowl and mix with a mixer on medium speed or beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. Filling up the cupcake, so now we have to put it into the oven for 14 to 19 minutes. So we're gonna put it in 16 minutes. Some of them didn't come out of the pan as easy as the other ones. Now we're going to ice them. I thought this was black icing, but it's not. It's brown. It's okay. We're gonna work with it. So I have this fudge brown icing, and then I have the white icing. So we're going to ice it, and I have the orange icing for pour. Crumbs in your plate. I don't have any. That's because you got a new plate.
You gotta do a little swirlies at the top.
I did.
Make
Yeah, okay. You gotta decorate it anyway.
I don't know how to work this.
This does not look good. Kind of looks like the orange Christmas tree. What am I making?
Do like those pretty dots, like is where it's wisp up here. I meant like where it's together.
See, what are you doing?
I didn't need it.
You're making it worse. What are you? This is no. Wait, I should have just stuck with the.
It would look better if you didn't. Those random ones.
Let's leave this one for that. We're just gonna make it look better than this. You know what? Don't do. What is that?
I'm mixing it in, making a swirl.
Stop laughing. I'm fixing it.
What are you doing?
Making lines. Straight lines.
Mine looks like milk chocolate. This is mine, y'all, milk chocolate.
No.
Milk goodness. That don't look stupid.
It doesn't look stupid. And you did this part. That's what looks dumb.
No, because that's how it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go around like that.
That's not what I was going for.
Icing in it.
That's not what I was
That's
going
what I was telling you. You said, oh, okay. And you started dropping. I said, what is going on?
I want dots on this one.
That's not the thing to do dots.
I wanted a swerve on this one, and I wanted lines on this one. I knew what I wanted.
Why did you? Oh my God.
I'm trying to film. Okay, so these are mine.
No. No.
I don't know what she was going for with this one.
Well, with that one,
I'm vlogging, Courtney. Say to the vlog. So we are decorating cupcakes for the vlog, right? So who did better? Of these? Take it in.
I told her to do, you know how the cakes, they have that little frame around thing? I said do that and do like those pretty dots. She started putting dots on that. And then we didn't have enough icing to finish it. We didn't have enough icing to finish it.
Okay, but don't
She
you
started
this
putting those dots on there.
cool? This one right here?
Yeah, it don't look that bad.
It's okay if one looks good. I like that one. Well, I thought
This
the
milk
small
chocolate?
one was coolest. No, not that one. The other one.
This one?
Yeah, that one's cool.
Man, what?
And then I like the one with Squidward on it.
Squidward?
Yeah, it's Squidward.
It's supposed to be a leaf.
Oh, well, I look like Squidward.
We just finished. Take two. So we just finished the second batch, and now it's time to partially decorate for fall. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys!